Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to leave a server in Discord. So as you can see, we are currently here on my server, and if you want to leave a server, so like this on the Midjourney server, you could right click on that. Once you've right click, there will be a leave server option here, and you could just click on that. So are you sure you want to leave Midjourney? You won't be able to rejoin this server unless you are re-invited. You just click on leave server if you're sure. There, so you can just don't show me again. And click what reason or why did you leave that certain server. So you just click on that and done. There's another way to leave a server. So just go to that particular server that you want to leave. And after you're there, click on this button here, and you can see there's also a leave server option here. Just click on that, and that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.